Hi and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. If you love DIY, decor, homes, your recipe, everything all in a budget, do subscribe to my channel. Today I'm participating in a challenge being hosted by Juani, and she asked to show two spaces decorated for spring and a quick DIY. Thank you for the invite, Juani, and do check out her channel and the playlist created by her for lovely inspirations. Today I'm going to show you my simple home with simple decor for spring with mostly my DIYs. It's a home created with love. Welcome my friends. I started today's DIY using a canvas or a whiteboard or any rectangular piece of wood or anything that has been covered either with white paper or painted white. And I've written the sign welcome with pencil in the bottom, and I'm going to highlight it using a black felt pen. For Rae Dunn inspired lettering, I usually divide my letter into three parts, 1/3 and 2/3. So once the welcome sign is written, now I would just make a fresh round wreath here. So I'm going to take these leaves, they stay green for a longer time, and some wire ties here. So I'll take the sturdiest branch and try to form a circle out of it. And add more branches along the way. And I'll tie them with wires, making sure that the wires are hidden in the leaves. Next thing, to add a little more dimension to this, I'm just going to take some black color and dab it onto the edges just to give it a old rustic look. I'll make sure to be as untidy as possible. Especially around the corners. just some dry strokes with the same brush with very little paint left in it. And that's it. And now this is the wreath that I made. This would just fit in this space, and I'm going to take a little bit of ribbon, take any ribbon of your choice, and on the most untidy side, just go to take it and fix it with the help of some glue at the back of it. And let's see how it looks on my door. Here is how my welcome sign looks on the door. I think it looks very cool, very beautiful in white and grays and little greens on them. This is so beautiful and it looks so nice over a white door. Imagine how would it look over a dark colored door. It's just so beautiful. Welcome in, friends. Let's go in. A little entry space to sit where one can just sit and change into shoes for going in or out of the house. I've put green and white books and a fall succulent, a true succulent, natural, a few random greens and some greens in my white lantern. I like this monochrome with green, white and green and touches of black. They look so good. Here is my hello sign with my real cottons, some berry twigs and again some greens put in. My XOXO sign in the Scrabble form, I love it. I made it in a DIY. For Valentine's, I'll put a card link to, or I'll put links in the description box where all my DIYs are. Here is my easel, and this piece I made for the fall, but it has been appreciated so much by each and everyone who has come to my home, so I keep it year round. Live a good story, another DIY, and I like the quote, so I keep it here. This is a simple decor in my simple home. My wooden bark with a doily over it and my family pictures of my kids and my husband with myself. My pathos plant, I love plants everywhere in the home, so wherever possible I have them. My little Ganesha again on some greens. Here are my hand painted pillows. Okay, if you remember my previous home tour, I had the sofa sets in bright red. I really didn't like them, so I've changed them. I've made new sofa covers. This is this lovely textured woven velvet finish, deep chocolate colored sofa covers, and I really like them. I'm planning to make new cushion covers very soon. Again, my malachite green box, another DIY, a painted bottle for another pathos. My DIY florals in the box, another DIY loved by so many of you. Thank you so much for that. And here I have this multicolored rug. It's such a happy rug with so many colors on it. The table that I updated in a DIY with my DIY marble tray, and here is this lovely duckling, lady duck with her eggs, a DIY, and I love this here. So here is a little tour of my living room and entryway. Hope you liked it. It's a simple and full of my DIYs, and I like it this way. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for your time. Take care.